Jamaica, you know, so we in a trouble. I'm gonna tell you, there is no way Kartel can fit in.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with T. In today's video, we will look at Vybz Kartel for Freedom Street. Also, Scatterbarrel has a problem with Kartel and rehearsing. We'll get into that with the time span that they have and the amount of songs that he has. Also, there's a huge strike going on in Montego Bay with the secrets, the hotel secrets. Their employees are striking. Remember the other day when Royalton strike? Well, they're having similar issues, and we'll get into that. But if it's your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Also, I'd really appreciate it if you leave a like on this video. Let's get into it. Dancehall artist Vybz Kartel reversing First Freedom Street. Him, Scatterbarrel, ZJ Chrome, Sparky Baby, and Nuffy were practicing rehearsals for the December concert. Scatter also has expressed some concerns because he's saying that the amount of songs that Vybz Kartel has won't be able to fit in that 3 or 4 hour time span that they have. But check these clips out and tell me what you think.
Man, then you have to the Kartel fans and the fourth accent. Most men love me so, they kiss them hug me so. Some say, oh, you're sexy so.
The song's supposed to say, some say, oh, you're ugly so, but I don't know if them say so, something like that. And somebody says, some say, oh, you're sexy so. Why for that? But anyways, this is what Scatter was saying about the issue he's having. I don't know if they're going to change the time span or what. But they're having issues with being able to fill in the amount of song with Kartel out. So check this out.
Yo, Jamaica, you know, so we in a trouble. Yo, me talk from my heart. First night, me do a rehearsal with Vybz Kartel, you see? I'm gonna tell you, there is no way Kartel can fit in even half of his catalog in a 3 hour set. Because after the man done rehearsal, we check back the song them way. Not even sing yet. I'm stand up there and watch him and DJ nearly 300 songs. And the song them way, the amount of song will get left out of the catalog. We in trouble. I don't want nobody feeling offended if them forward a Freedom Street and them not hear one of them favorite, because there's no way Vybz Kartel catalog about 15 of them. And I said then we're in trouble. What kind of artist this way have so many songs we span 2 decades and all of them are hit songs? I don't know, I never said this before. This in the game for a while, I never see this before, seriously. So we're not trouble. We're not trouble, brother. Yeah.
Speaking of that, Amari had a few words to say about Vybz Kartel releasing clips of him rehearsing. She didn't like that, and she said if you take it down, and she said basically him show a flop. But check this out and tell me what you guys think in the comment section.
I saw Vybz Kartel practicing for his upcoming Freedom concert. If I were you, I take that down, because that alone cancel out the concert totally. You are a total embarrassment. First of all, you're not the real Vybz Kartel. You understand? And what you're trying to prove, it's not gonna happen. So stop wasting your time, please.
See it there, people? Rehearsal. See Nuffy there? See Chrome there? See Scatter there. See Mooney there. See TG there. See Sparky Deeper there. See the engineer there. 4 hours and 8 minutes. I'm still in the chat. Whole heap of song. Yo, I sweat. Watch out, my shots wet your fuck. Watch it. All the floor wet. People in the chat inside night. You notice I'm not even a post. Come here on a post, but I'm going to deliver the night they like grocery. I'm out.
Tell me what you guys think about that in the comment section. Also, we're going to now talk about the strike that is going on in Montego Bay with the Secrets Hotel staff. They're fed up, they're being underpaid and overworked, you know, not being allowed to drink water, all of those things, overtime, getting unpaid. Some people can't even get tip. They might get rotation, one heap of things. And honestly, I'm proud to see this. First, it was Ryalton and now them. So check out this clip. That's happening live in Montego Bay. And I also have an actual live with some of the employees that were there on site that spoke about some of the issues.
Keep putting me in and come and tell me on the decide to do. Yeah. Me no money. Money just catch a one part and can't move. By the time for me Pini get left, I mean a gas alone left to come back here. Nobody can help me to get paid Thursday. Friday before pay come.
Friday 5:30.
Every week.
We apologize for
every week.
none of them not telling
Yes. It go change. You don't see no one change.
A 2 bartender run 1 bar. I have to do bar porter work. You have to do every type of work. A bar was supposed to work with 4 bartender. A bar support, which is the bar porter. 2 bartender do that. And then supervisor tell us say, yo, bar jump out the ice. If you run go for ice and come back and the hotel, you say you left the bar, left the service and go for it. A slavery in a brother. I'm going to tell him directly. Put on my name because I don't care. Because I'm going to tell him already. And when he tell me, say, yo, it's a strong word, I say, hey, go to HR with him. I tell him, say, they don't care. I say, yo, carry, go there. Because I will go tell him. Me go back there because I'm tell him something for you. Yeah, man. Brother, $1.95 you work for wine, brother. And the money you pay, you have to pay, brother. You understand me? Maybe $2, brother. How wine, brother. If you do something when if you have a bar, run a bar and kill yourself, I run up and down, brother. You come and work a month, you can't find nothing to use a morning time. You run gas storm to try to get things on storm. When you got storm, you get from storm. So I one man in a storm, I'll tell you, say, yo, brother, me under pressure. You can't kill him. I can kill him a fight. You don't go fight. You understand me? You fight, you don't go fight, brother. It don't make no sense because guess what? You fight over the big man things. You can't do that, brother. You understand me? So, brother, a slave, bro. That's how they with them right now.
Montego Miller is the opposition to this family. A very important and crucial person.
Listen,
And the reason I wanted her to come here is so that she can hear directly from you what the concerns are, because we take them seriously, right? So, from what I've been gathering, I'm going to give a summary and
this for my people.
I can talk loud now, then if you want me to talk loud. So, what the understanding that I got from you is that there is a ongoing issue in terms of contract work and the rotation of contracts. And with that comes reduced benefits from your understanding. I also understand from you that there is some lack of transparency in terms of how your no transparency in terms of how your commissions are calculated. Yes. And inconsistency in terms of what you understand to be receiving, that 8%, versus what you are calculating that you receive, which you understand is around 5%. And so you're concerned about that. And that there is no contract written in place that you have with this verbal understanding that you have of your commissions. Yes. I'm also understanding from you, correct me if I'm wrong, that there is an issue with overtime.
Yes.
And that there is a general understanding that where you are late, you are penalized quickly, but you are not compensated.
When we are much overtime,
I also understand from some others that the workload in a day, especially from housekeeping, and this is something that I confirm with the resident manager. He accepts that there is an overload within the 8-hour period, right? So that has been accepted by Daniel, the resident manager. Yeah. And that is something that he's saying that is going to be addressed quickly. No, we can only go by 24 hours. What they have said. Right. So I take a commitment and I have to follow up on the commitment, right? So, no, me will follow. Trust me on that. So my colleague Heather is here, and I need you to tell me yes or no. Did I capture it? Yes. Or did I miss anything?
Yes,
no.
you do.
Bob Marley say, get up, stand up, and stand up for your right. Also, closed mouths don't get fed, and if you want to change, you have to speak up. So if they're being treated unfairly, overworked, and underpaid, it is their right to exercise their rights to try to get change for the country and for themselves. So good luck, and I wish that you guys get a better working environment.
Anyways, guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and if you reach this far in the video, thank you so much. Honestly, leave a like on the video, leave a comment, and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.